A couple landings coming on here. Let's take a look at this landing here. Well, they may still come. Giant ones may still come in. He's whipping past. Looking good. Let's come back around because here comes the biplane. Ooh, got a little bit of bump there. There he goes. Beautiful touchdown. Beautiful. Looking good. Let's see Butter Buddy over here now. I'm glad he's got a smoke trail. I can find him real easy. Oh, look at that. Pulling a loop. Getting fancy with it. All right. Bank around to the right. Pretty sweet. That's a good looking bird, isn't it?
I'm just really not able to deal with this heat.
Yeah. Look at that landing. Look at this. Here he comes. Looking beautiful. Smooth approach. Little bounce. Not bad. Nice recovery. Excellent work. That'll do it. Beautiful. This taxi's nice.
Do you have to get rid of that smoke? Does it go bad? No.
Woo!